I'm a real estate agent and I've been traveling the world with my family for the last 3 months, and I've had over 10 closings personally during that time. And if that's something that you're interested in, then this channel is for you. If you're new or if you got this video sent to you by a friend, then hi, I'm Melanie Suber. I am a real estate agent licensed in Texas. I am recording this video from my penthouse balcony in Chiang Mai, Thailand right now. Look at this view. Maybe I'll give a quick tour of my condo in a minute, but in this video, I want to give a brief little update. I had this channel, I think I started this the day I got licensed, and it's been a wild ride. I got licensed about 5 years ago in Texas, like I said, and man, in those 5 years, I worked very, very, very hard, and I became one of the top realtors in Austin and in Texas and in the country, and I decided with my husband that we wanted to travel, we wanted freedom. And so we wanted to figure out how to do that with our real estate business. And so we did. So we found a system. And first of all, we knew that we needed leads. Well, first of all, let me rewind. We knew that we needed leads in our real estate business because real estate is hard. And we were doing everything that everyone told us to do. And maybe this is where you're at. We were doing open houses. We were doing cold calling. We were doing door knocking even. We were handwriting letters to all of our friends and family. We hired so many coaches and mentors because I fully believe in coaches and mentorship, and it felt like none of it was working. You know, I was pregnant doing an open house, door knocking. It was the middle of winter. I was freezing. I was probably 3 or 4 months pregnant, and I was just thinking there has to be a better way to get leads. There has to be. I will never forget that day. And you know what? There is a better way. And so we found it. We worked so hard researching and brainstorming and trying and erroring. You know, we would try and fail and have all of these ideas, and nothing was working. And maybe that's where you're at now, but we just thought there has to be a better way. There has to be a better way. I mean, real estate is so hard. Even once you get the client, there's, you have to get the listing, and then you have to sell it, and then you have to convince the sellers to accept the price, and then the buyers are asking for crazy things, and it's just, there's so many things that can go wrong in real estate. We thought that the lead acquisition part should be the easiest thing. It's the one thing you can't control, and that's why a lot of those systems, like calling your friends and family and just going to church and hoping your friends are ready to buy, or going to your softball league and hoping people are ready to buy, that just never felt good to me because it's out of your control. So much of real estate is already out of your control, like I said. So why not control your pipeline? Why not take control of your leads? So anyway, so we found this system and it was amazing. And within 70 days of using it, we got 29 buyers and sellers under contract, which was crazy. And then we thought, I bet we can turn this into something that will give us actual freedom so we can travel. And so that's what we did. So the next step of that was we referred our deals out to agents locally where we had them. And we had a team, and not like a downline. I know a lot of realtors like, oh, how to get financial freedom, just grow a downline and whatever. This is for realtors that are serious about actually selling real estate and helping their clients. And you can do that. And it's for realtors that also do want to get the freedom and travel the world. But I think you have to do it in the right order. You have to spend the time to first become really good at selling real estate. And then you can, train other people on your team to do that. And so anyway, it changed my life so much. Like I said, we've been traveling for the last 3 years. Look at this view, guys. Like, I'm just going to duck out of the scene here. We're on the 14th floor penthouse. Let's take a look. Our pool. We look at these beautiful plants, and the pool's right down there. I could even put a water slide from here to get down there. We're living the good life. I'm not gonna lie, we're living the good life, and I want you to do that too. It's one of those things that once your life changes, you just want to help people out of the goodness of your heart. And I have been in places that were not great, and people out of the goodness of their heart, even strangers on YouTube, it can still change your life. I was watching videos, reading books, helping change my mindset, and all of those things contributed to where I'm at now. So that's what I want to do with you. That's what this channel is about. I want to help real estate agents with their marketing, with their mindset, with their systems. And yes, we do have a program. If you're interested in buying, you can check that out in the description, but you don't have to. Really, I just want to help you live the best life that you can. So even if you're not a real estate agent, if you want to watch this for more of the mindset and the entrepreneurship, I started out as just a marketer. And then I met my now husband and he convinced me to get my real estate license, which is a lot of marketing. So that's just bringing you up to speed. I think that real estate is one of the best industries. It's unbelievable still that you can just help someone buy or sell a house, and the amount of money, the commission check that you can make can really change your family's life. So the ticket to that, though, is having consistent deals and running your business like a business and all of these other things that I'm going to teach you in this channel. So if you're new and that sounds interesting to you, hit that subscribe button. If you have questions, let me know in the comments. Like I said, I make these videos just for you. I'm just really passionate about helping people. I know that there are a lot of agents that are stressed out and burnt out, and I was there. I've been there, and I just want to help. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I'll make videos about that. Otherwise, I'm just going to go based on what I wish that I could have watched a video on back in the day. So no, I'm not one of those gurus that has never sold a house, and I'm not one of those agents that's just going to pretend to be nice to you so I can recruit you. I promise you this has nothing to do with recruiting. I just want to help agents. Like I said, I know what it's like. So this channel is for you if you're new, if you're experienced, if you have sold $20 million in real estate, if you have sold zero in real estate. Honestly, I know so many realtors that even have sold more real estate than me, but they have no systems for their business. A system is a proven and repeatable process where you know that what you do on the input, you will have the same output. So many people just wake up and are winging it every single day in their business and winging it with every single new client. They have no system. It's crazy to me. So I'm just really passionate. I think honestly, a lot of realtors can do better, and we should do better. And the industry, people don't always respect their realtor. And I think a lot of that has to do with the fact that a lot of realtors don't deserve respect. And I'm sorry if that's harsh. And I'm not saying that about you because I don't even know you, but there are so many agents that aren't even serving their clients well. Like I said, they're just winging it. So I want to help more people. I want to help more agents. I want to help the home buyers and the sellers. They deserve to sell their house for the most amount of money. The buyers deserve to save as much money as they can to, be heard and be taken care of. So that's what this channel is about. Wherever you're at, if you just want to be better, if you want to grow, I'm not saying you have to travel the world with your family. I'm not saying that at all. If that's what you're interested in, maybe down the line I'll do more videos about that. But in the beginning, I just want to help you with your marketing. I want to help you control your pipeline, take care of your clients, take care of your family, and live a better life. So if that sounds interesting to you, I hope to see you in more videos. If you've made it this far, then I know you're already a go-getter. I believe in you. I am cheering for you. I love you, and I know you're going to do great things. So like this video if it helped. Like I said, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and I would be happy to answer. And I will see you in the next one, and I'll see you at the top.